Alright, so we've pretty much made all the preparations. We're finally leaving this butt fuck of a town. I hate this island. I hate Port Aransas. All of it.
Yeah.
It can go fuck itself. We're shoving off to Houston. Starting 0700 hours. Well, right now we're planning on making it there by Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Not very psyched at the moment. It's supposed to be cold, and the winds are supposed to be good now up until Monday. Monday and Tuesday, they're supposed to be trying to blow me into the Gulf, so that's gonna suck. Well, this is what it looks like. 6:30 in the morning. It is foggy, and it already looks whack. So just chilling. Got the sail up. Rudder hooked up. Sitting here fucking waiting for some wind. Should've just went to the Gulf.
Nah.
Well, there was no wind, so we went ahead and left the sail up, but I went ahead and turned on the motor, and we're gonna go ahead and keep motoring until I see these telltales start moving a little bit. I can cut it off, go back to just sail power. We were moving like half a knot. Wasn't good. So, yep. Well, we're chilling, and we got the sails up, and I actually get to sit inside. I got my radio hanging from there. Hanging out, and then got my little running light so everybody can see me. We're moving between 1 and 2 knots, which is better than nothing, so I'll take it. And the wind's supposed to get over 12 tomorrow at 1 o'clock, so tomorrow will be much better. We'll make up a lot more miles that we didn't get to make up today. And I'm just pretty much just going to keep the boat moving all night. Me and Woods are going to take turns watching it. And hopefully we'll catch that wind in the morning and get moved towards Port O'Connor. So. Well, it's about 8:30 in the morning. The fog's a little bit bad out here. It was a little bit better whenever I first woke up, but it's whatever. Sails managed to stay pretty nicely tied up last night, and the wind is slowly picking up, so we're gonna give it maybe about another hour, get the boat ready to go, and get back at it.
Who already blew his shot? I get along with old Tom to the name. And I can't keep a girl on your home. As soon as the sun comes.
Well, it's the morning in Port O'Connor. It is very cold. We got in here after nightfall last night. It's actually about a mile before Port O'Connor. I couldn't navigate anymore. So we're gonna stop there real quick so we can get some more gas and supplies. And then hopefully we'll be making Matagorda today. need to check the weather. It's either going to be really nice or really bad. One way or the other. So unfortunately right here I had a lapse in my videotaping, and I was really busy sailing. So we made it to Matagorda that night. It was very uneventful. We left Matagorda that next morning and shoved off to Freeport. Again, not very eventful. All looks the same. It just, you know, coastal island right here on one side and then mainland on the other. Bunch of asshole barges. So I didn't realize that till I was editing this video, and now I'm putting in this little disclaimer for that purpose. So, sorry about that. And this video will pick up from leaving Matagorda on the way to Freeport. On the way to Galveston. The sun's actually out this morning, which is pretty nice, and the water's pretty okay. Wind's nowhere, but hopefully that'll pick up. I'm way too tired. The trip has been long. It needs to end. We made it to Galveston. I was there for 6 hours, and then I had to leave. So I moved the boat over here to somewhere called Port Bolivar, and I think this is where I'm going to end this trip at the moment. I was making my way over to Pasadena, but this feels like a natural closing point, and there's no need to go up into the bays whenever I plan on going further all the way to New Orleans. And yeah, this was definitely an interesting trip.